Starting today, we'll be doing centers differently. Please listen carefully to the video so you'll understand what to do. We're going to be starting centers differently from now on. First, let's start with the centers rules. 1. Check 3 before me. That means ask 3 friends what to do before asking a teacher. 2. Work quietly. That means you're in your seat and on task and using whisper voices if you need to talk. 3. Clean up and switch when you hear the music. You should leave every center just as you found it, and music will start and stop when you should move. The centers are 1. Mrs. Cook. You will meet with Mrs. Cook at her table. Centers are 2. You will get your iPad. Look at the iPad center rules. Choose one of the apps for the week. The example for this week is Grammar Games, Dictionary, and Valve. You may only play those apps. Put your iPad away when your rotation is over. 3 is silent reading. In the free read center, you choose a 5-finger rule book. Remember the 5-finger rule. You choose a book, open it, and read a page. Put 5 fingers on your hand. For every mistake you have, put a finger down. No mistakes, the book is too easy. 2 to 3 mistakes, the book is just right. 5 mistakes, it is too hard. Try to always read a just right book. Read the whole book silently at your desk. Return the book neatly to the class library. Center 4, Mrs. Conan. You will meet with Mrs. Conan at her table. Center 5, independent work. Class member has a pocket. They'll come at independent work time and get the work out of the pocket. Take the work back to their seat and complete the work. If you finish the work, put it in the basket. If you do not complete it, put it back in the pocket for the next day. Starting tomorrow, if you need to bring supplies to your center, it will be listed on the board. For example, tomorrow, Mrs. Cook will need pencils and book bags, and Miss Conan will need iPads. This is just an example. You will move from station to station in order. You will start where your center sign says start, and end where your center sign says end. You will move through each rotation. When you hear the music, you will stop, clean up, and move on before the music stops. I hear the music. Let's get started. Move to your first center. Be there before the music stops.